our channel. Today we went to Urban Space to buy food because we always buy from Urban Space. And we were waiting for the food. We bought some snacks and chai from that snack area. We drank our chai in the car and waited for the food. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.